Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samriddhi, you can also call me Sam, and that's also my channel's name. You can follow me on Instagram on Sam Digital Space. I'll link it down below here somewhere. And let's today talk about PPC. What is PPC? What are paid campaigns? And everything about that. So if you are in digital space, or if you are running an online business, or if you're just trying to grow your digital presence, people must have suggested you that, hey, do a PPC campaign, do a Google Ads campaign, do an Instagram campaign, Snapchat campaign, TikTok campaign, or they must have suggested you to, go to an agency and get it done. You must have tried it. It's a lot of efforts. It's not that easy. People do try it, end up blowing a lot of money on it without any results. So today, I have narrowed down my top 5 tools that can help you in your digital campaigns and help you to get exactly what you want in a very limited budget. So let's get into the video. So just to give you guys some background, I work as a digital marketing manager in downtown Toronto. And I will say about 20 to 30% of my job is optimizing campaigns on Google and Bing. So I also create those campaigns. So my day-to-day job would somewhere be like talking to the Google team in downtown Toronto. Another team is in Ann Arbor, Michigan. I'll talk to the Facebook team. I'll talk to the people at Instagram. I'll talk to the Adobe team, which is in downtown Toronto. We will have all our analytics ready, so we can present it to the shareholders, to the executive team, in the daily meetings. Then my day-to-day job also includes working with UX UI designer, graphic designers. I sometimes also have to work with the development team to get some implementations done for SEO purposes. So there is a lot that's going on and I wear different hats. The things that I like to focus on is creating and designing campaigns on Google. So the first tool that I really like to use is SEMrush. I have been using this tool for about 5 to 6 years now. I started using them when they were free. I literally had just keyword research in it. Now it has grown a lot. They have a separate section for SEO, a separate section for content management. I will say that this is by far the most organized tool. Very neat, very clean. You don't have to be an expert to use this tool. I also have an affiliate link for this tool. I'll link it down below. But let me tell you about this tool in details now. So this is semrush.com. This is one of my favorite tools. I use it literally daily. Most of the world's leading brands also rely on SEMrush. You can see Tesla, Apple, Nike, Walmart, even Amazon, Booking.com, they all kind of use SEMrush. It's kind of a compact tool which helps you for SEO, content marketing, market research, advertising, and even social media marketing people can use SEMrush. So for SEO, you can do a complete site audit. It will give you all the top keywords that your competitors are using or you should be using. You can analyze your backlink domain profiles. You can do a complete SEO audit, and you can also track SERP positions. So these are only the top points that are mentioned here, but I'll show you an in-depth report of how it looks like. You can also use it for content marketing. It will find you the topics that resonate with your audience. It will give you SEO-friendly content to write about. You can do audits and real-time tracking. You can also track a number of times your brand is mentioned online. I use it extensively for market research purposes, to analyze the traffic of the website, to check what the competitive positioning looks like, to discover keywords and find a gap in the backlinks. Advertising, amazing tool for advertising. If you are someone who runs day-to-day campaigns, PPC campaigns on Google or Bing or any of the advertising platforms, you should be using SEMrush. You can find the best keywords for every PPC campaign. You can monitor your competitors' ads. You can also see the ad copies. And one of the new features that they recently added here is that you can also analyze Google Shopping ad campaigns using this tool. If you're a social media marketing person or a social media manager, use this tool to schedule and post your content on social media. You can use it to post everything together. You don't have to worry about posting everything separately. You can analyze the performance of your post. You can track track your competitors' account, create and optimize your social ads. Like, amazing tool. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Now before telling anything, let me give you an example. Say we take a website www.nike.com. Let's choose the location as Canada because I'm in Canada. So on April 2nd, 2021, this is how the analysis looks like. It will tell you what the organic search traffic to Nike.com is, how much is the paid search traffic, what is their backlink position, what is their display advertising position. You can see the organic and paid traffic based on the country. Nike.com, because .com, it's a high search volume in US, then comes UK, then comes France, and then comes Canada. You can also see the paid traffic analysis. It will also give you the serve feature. Because we chose the location Canada, the top organic keywords are Nike, Nike Canada, Jordan, Nike Air Force. If you choose a different location, say let's take US, the top keywords would change, like Nike, Jordan is the second top one. Let's go back to Canada. Nike Canada is the second one. It will give you main organic competitors. Instead of using this one, I really like using the competitor position map, where you can see like Nike is taking a huge chunk of market share. The second one that is in the position is StockX.com, and then Foot Locker. Like literally a lot of people go to Foot Locker for Nike. The branded traffic trend extremely high, and this is really good, obviously because it's Nike. The top paid keywords. So this is how Nike is advertising or doing PPC ads in Canada. They're using Nike, Nike Canada, Nike Shoes, Nike Outlet. The paid position distribution, literally 86% of the traffic on Google search is because of their paid advertising. What are their main paid competitors? So who is bidding on these keywords? Foot Locker, Goat.com, it's like really famous. I love this website. SportsCheck, if you are in Canada, you know SportsCheck is really big. And these are a couple of their sample text ads, like they are marketing this in Canada, and their backlink positions, the top anchors, top referring domains, the indexed pages. Amazing content. Like guys, if you are into digital marketing, you should definitely get SEMrush. I also use it for here. So if PPC advertising toolkit, this is amazing too. It will give you market analysis. You can go and do your keyword research. You can find where the gap in the market is. There's a keyword magic tool. You can use that too. It is amazing for social media ads as well. So I'm on a guru plan here, but if you are someone who is like new, so this is the plan I'm on a guru plan. But if you are someone who's like new and starting out, I'll say just go for the pro plan. So my second favorite tool is Ahref. I believe it's the best tool, second best tool available out there in the market. I started using it more for SEO purposes, but then it has a lot of other features to it. My second favorite tool is Ahref. It is also trusted by Facebook, Adobe, LinkedIn, Netflix, Uber. They like to call themselves all-in-one SEO toolset. You can use it for site audits. It will give you an analysis of your competitors again. You can use Site Explorer for that. It will give you a keyword overview, content overview, and rank tracking. So let me show you how the platform looks like. This is how the dashboard of Ahref looks like. I usually use it only for SEO. So let's take an example of Sephora.com. If you're someone in North America, you know it's in cosmetic and beauty industry. I usually use it to see how the backlinks are performing, what is the referring domains, what are the organic keywords basically for PPC, what is their strategy, the traffic. It will give you the traffic value as well. I usually would like to go and do a PPC keyword search in here, the type of ads they are doing. I'll also go and check the backlinks over here. Mostly I use it to do an audit for my clients to see if their pages are okay, if the domains are okay, what are their competitors into, if something is broken, what needs to be fixed, what is the page speed, if it is okay or no, or that kind of content. So this is, again, I told you, my second favorite tool, basically amazing for site audits. So the third tool is from Google itself, Google Keyword Planner, and I swear by its accuracy. This is like the original keyword tool, and I have used it for, I think, as long as it has been there in the market. Because of all these new tools in the market, we often forget how important or how accurate Google Keyword Planner is. So this is how Keyword Planner looks like. You have to go into ads.google.com to get access to the Keyword Planner. Because it's a Google provided tool, the information is extremely relevant. It will give you what new keywords you can bid on for your PPC campaigns, or literally also for high search volume, and it will give you again high search volume keywords and what is the forecast as well. This is something new that Google has added recently. So let's take an example. Say we are searching for, again, let's take Nike because we have used it previously. Nike is extremely high search volume keyword. So the average monthly searches for Nike is about 100k to 1 million. That's huge, and also it is extremely competitive keyword. You can see that Google Keyword Planner will also show you what was the lowest bid that was done for this specific keyword Nike. So it was 1.59 Canadian dollars, and the highest was done as 5.26 Canadian dollars. You can also refine your keyword search. This is something to beta version they are launching right now. You can go and search the brands specific keywords, the product specific keywords, gender specific keywords. If the product is white color, black color, blue color, you can go and search the color specific keywords. You can see if someone is typing Nike, what other search terms are they searching for. So extremely good for keyword planning as well. Let's take an example of the website. Again, let's take Nike.com. You can also put in your competitor keyword, your competitor website, and see what they are bidding on. So Nike is using keywords like Air Force, Nike Out, Nike Air Max, running shoes Nike. These are the high search volume keywords, the amount of bids or amount of money that they are paying for this keyword. Say if you are someone who is into a shoe business, you can type your competitor website here and see what keywords they are using and how much they are spending for that keyword. You can also get a forecast. So you have to just paste a keyword in here, say for example shoes, and you will get a forecast of how much the monthly average searches would be, and how much you would have to pay if you are gonna use that keyword. So if I'm gonna bet on a keyword shoe, then I'll have to pay as low as 34 cents and as high as $1.37. Extremely good tool. Use this one. This is the most easy tool that you will find. If you are someone who is starting new, you don't know how to use SEMrush or Ahrefs or any of those complicated tools, go for Keyword Planner. So the fourth tool is SpyFu. I'm not sure if that is how you say it, but it's like SPYFU. I'll link it down below. I always say that you should have knowledge of at least two similar tools, because if one crashes, you always have the second one to rely on. So this tool also has a lot of functionality like the other, or a lot of features like the other tools have. So you should have that in your basket. So SpyFu also I'm not sure how to say that, but SpyFu also comes with a lot of tools for SEO research, PPC research, keyword research, and it also comes with some extra features in here. So basically everything that you will get with SEMrush and Ahrefs, but you should have knowledge of one more extra tool, because all these tools are bringing in new features every day, so you might not know which one works for you. SpyFu comes with competitor analysis, SEO keyword research, backlink research, domain comparison, rank tracker. For PPC research, it will give you data about Google Ads competition, PPC keyword. It also has Google Ads template. So if you are someone who is starting new into building up a PPC campaign and you don't know how to do that, use SpyFu for this Google Ads template, and you can also see an ad history. So you can just type in your competitor's website and keywords, and you can see what ads they are running, and you can build up your ads in a similar pattern. You can do your keyword research, and it will also give you SEO reports, search check, domain overview, basically everything that you get into SEMrush. So the fifth tool is Ubersuggest. They're relatively new in the market. The tool is by Neil Patel. I started using the tool back in 2018-ish, 2019, when they were just keyword providers. That time it was free. Now you have to sign up and I think pay something. You can only get like one free report or something. but it's a good tool to get like keywords and stuff, so try that tool out too. So this is the final tool Uber suggests. It was again by Neil Patel. He tried to do something very similar to SEMrush. This is me logging into the platform. I started using it when it was completely free. This is how the dashboard looks like. Basically it's trying to copy SEMrush. It will give you keyword discovery tool, keyword ideas, content ideas. It will give you competitor analysis, SEO explorer. Something really good about Uber Suggest is that they also have a Chrome extension. So whatever information that you are looking for in here, you can also get it through the Chrome extension. I'm gonna make another video which only talks about SEO specific Chrome extensions, and I will try to include Uber Suggest analysis in there. But meanwhile guys, check this platform out. I used it mostly for keyword ideas. They are constantly adding in new features too here, and if you are a business, you can also join their consulting services. Like literally they'll do complete analysis for you or complete campaigns for you, so try that out. Also guys, I like to mention that never rely on the results of only one tool. Like I usually go for SEMrush and Ahrefs, and I try to verify the results of both the tools. Now all the softwares, all the tools have their own plus points and own drawbacks. My suggestion would be get used to it, get familiar with it, and see what suits you best. I like these tools, I'm used to it, so I understand what's going on wrong and what's, you know, like not correct, but I think you'll need some time to play with it and like figure them out for yourself. Also, if you have any questions, queries, or if there is any other topic that you guys want me to cover in this channel, or I got one of the queries from subscribers saying that he wants me to talk about project management, how digital projects are, so I'll try to talk about that. But if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Until then, stay safe.